Who can guess? Who can guess? Come here in front, please. Don't be shy. If you correct guess it, you will win an instant prize from Dubai. What is your name? Alright, do you know how many teeth does she have now? A, 2, B, 3, or letter C, 4? A, B, or C? B, that is 3! Congratulations! Get your prize! Third, trivia question is, what or when is your exact birthday? When is your exact birthday? Do I need to give you choices? Or someone who are close to the family, when is the exact birthday of baby Cici? Raise your